Hi guys, and welcome back to Buttercup Slimes.
I'm Louise.
I'm Eloise.
And today we're going to be making Valentine slime.
Happy Valentine's Day! We are super excited to make this DIY Valentine slime.
So we each are going to make a slime. So you're going to need 2 clear glues, 2 mixing bowls, mixing tools. You need pink glitter and red glitter.
And you'll need these crystal diamonds.
And then you need 1 cup of warm water.
And then half a teaspoon of borax. So you're going to want to start by
pouring the glue into the bowl.
It makes a tooting sound.
Ew, Eloise!
Oh, I got it.
Come out.
Okay, so there's still some in there. Okay, that's how many I want. So, next you want to get your borax, your half a teaspoon. And then you're gonna want to pour it in your water. Make sure your water is hot or warm.
Because then the borax won't dissolve as fast.
And then if you want to do color, which I'm going to, she's going to keep hers clear. Then while the borax is mixing, you're going to want to put your color in. So mine is this pretty pink. And it's so pretty. It's like my bow.
Okay, so now the borax is dissolved, and I'm going to take a couple of spoonfuls into my slime. I'm just going to pour it. So I'm just pouring a little bit of it. So here you go, Eloise. So then you just mix it in until your slime should become thick. With clear slime, you need a lot more activator
Than white slime.
Yeah, than white slime. So once it's like thick, like
whoa,
it's so. Mine needs a bit more activator. Can you see?
Okay, so now I'm going to put our glitter in. So we have red and we have some pink. So I'm gonna put some red in.
There we go.
Pretty red. Like super red. Look at that.
Oh, look at mine.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, yours is so cool. Mine's clear right now. I need to put more.
Mine's like you can't even tell it's slime. It looks like a blob of glitter. Look at it. I'm like in awe right now. Oh.
So then you just want to kind of like knead it with
Glitter.
your hands until it becomes slime.
Glitter.
Ah!
Ew. Ew.
More activator.
Mine's definitely more Valentine-y than yours.
Well, I haven't even added anything yet.
Make sure to comment down below whose is better.
Yeah.
Mine's.
No, mine. I haven't even added stuff.
You all know I'm the favorite.
That's
Okay.
not true. So I'm just adding glitter. More glitter.
It's like crunchy slime.
Yours has so much more glitter than mine does.
I need more activator.
Mine's prettier.
Mine is.
No, mine is.
Guys, you don't comment down whose is more prettier. Comment down below like whose is more festive.
Mine's so gonna be awesome. I need more sparkles. Hey, I want the pink.
This is
There's a load of sparkles in here.
need a lot. Whoa. Oh, that's a lot of
Oh
activator.
my gosh.
I overactivated.
Sparkles are going everywhere.
That's a good thing.
I guess so. Yeah, that's a good thing.
Oh, I love mine.
I
It's
like
so
mine.
messy.
Mine's better.
We all know mine's more festive.
No.
Look at it.
I need some beads in mine.
Mine looks like art.
Okay, so I'm gonna put some beads in mine.
Don't use all of them. No, you better not use all of them. No. Move that.
So we just ran to the store and got these beads at Hobby Lobby, if you're wondering where we got them. Don't use all of them! Don't use all of them! I need some more. I don't know. I have some. Ooh, yours is so pink.
She means pink by prettier.
No.
Hey, you use all of them.
Yeah. Hey!
That's so bad. Mine's overactivated.
Should I put some more sparkles in it?
You can put some more glue in it because I have leftover glue.
You have leftover glue?
Yeah.
Do I? I mean, I have leftover too.
And I have some more slime in here.
I do too. Okay, guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and smash that subscribe button.
Comment down below whose is better.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So you can buy the slime from us.
In our next video, we're going to be doing a slime smoothie. So make sure you go check that out.